Imagine a world where the sun shines bright almost every hour of the day, where limitless solar energy fuels entire cities, and where a planet once known as the hell of the solar system becomes humanity's next home. We always hear about Mars, Mars this, Mars that, Mars colonization, Mars cities, Mars terraforming. But what if humanity's real shortcut to building a new Earth isn't the red planet at all? What if the true answer has been orbiting closer to the sun, hidden behind toxic clouds and extreme heat? Venus. Today, we're diving into a mind-blowing possibility, terraforming Venus faster than Mars. And the insane part? The science behind this isn't fantasy. It's real, it's logical, and it might be closer than anyone dares to imagine. Venus is a planet that almost feels like a bad joke from the universe. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide. Its clouds are made of sulfuric acid. The pressure is so intense it can crush a spacecraft in minutes. And the surface temperature is hotter than an industrial furnace. Most people hear that and say, why would we ever try to fix that? But here's the twist. Beneath all that chaos is a world that mirrors Earth more closely than anything else in the solar system. Venus is almost the same size, has nearly the same gravity, and receives almost twice the sunlight Mars gets. For future civilizations powered by solar energy, Venus is a gold mine. If we could calm its atmosphere, if we could reverse its greenhouse effect, Venus would instantly jump ahead of Mars as a far better candidate for human life. Everything begins with temperature. Right now, Venus is a 475 degrees Celsius inferno. Before we can breathe there, walk there, or build anything, we need to cool it. So, scientists propose an enormous space sunshade, a gigantic light-blocking mirror, placed at a gravitational sweet spot between Venus and the Sun. This structure would dim the sunlight reaching the planet, drop temperatures over decades, and slowly start undoing billions of years of runaway heating. With Venus cooling, something extraordinary begins to happen. The carbon dioxide, currently 96% of the atmosphere, can freeze into dry ice, settle onto the ground, or be captured through chemical reactions. Huge robotic factories could convert CO2 into solid carbon, carbonates, or even everyday building materials. Bit by bit, the thick, deadly air becomes thinner, clearer, and far more manageable. Now comes the reconstruction of the atmosphere itself. By introducing nitrogen and oxygen, we start transforming Venus into something that resembles early Earth. Over centuries, the sky shifts colors, from yellow to pale white to light blue. And here's the most beautiful stage. Once Venus cools enough, water vapor in the atmosphere could begin to condense. Clouds thicken, rain falls, and the planet that once burned hotter than an oven starts forming oceans again. Billions of years ago, Venus may have been covered in water. Terraforming could bring that lost world back to life. Now, let's be honest. This is not a quick weekend project. This is the largest engineering idea ever imagined. To cool Venus, we'd need a sunshade thousands of kilometers wide, a megastructure no civilization has ever attempted. We'd need factories on a scale bigger than anything on Earth today, robots mining carbon, satellites adjusting orbit, drones working in temperatures humans can't survive. And then comes the cost, not billions, not trillions. We're talking decades of global GDP. This isn't a national project. This isn't NASA alone or China alone. This is humanity deciding together to reshape an entire planet. And the scientific questions remain massive. Can we cool Venus without freezing it too much? How fast can we strip carbon dioxide without creating new hazards? Can we bring back oceans without them boiling away again? And once we stabilize Venus, will it stay stable for thousands of years? These challenges are huge, but none of them break the laws of physics. There is no magic, no fantasy, just very difficult engineering. Venus is not impossible. It's simply on the edge of what humanity could achieve. Now imagine this future in your mind. You stand on a cooled Venus. The sky is a soft blue. Clouds drift overhead the way they do on Earth. A warm breeze carries the smell of a brand new ocean nearby. The sunlight is bright, stronger than Earth but not harsh, perfect for powering entire floating cities. The gravity feels natural. You walk normally. You breathe normally. The entire world that was once a cosmic furnace has become a shining second Earth. Now the big question: who leads this transformation? NASA, with its decades of research on planetary atmospheres, SpaceX, building starships and megastructures faster than anyone in history, China, already launching long-term Venus atmosphere probes. Whoever does it, terraforming Venus could rewrite the future of our species faster than anything we could do on Mars. So, is Venus really humanity's shortcut to a second Earth? At first, the idea sounds insane, but once you understand the science, once you see the steps, once you realize none of this breaks physics, it becomes clear. Terraforming Venus might not be science fiction. It might be the fastest path to a new home for our civilization. If you want more mind-bending ideas just like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because the next world we transform might be closer than you think.